Anita Long, and I'm going into my 15th year. This is actually going into my 10th year here at Ridgeway. I like the students, I like the environment, the faculty. It's like one big family. So, and it's a great group of kids.
My name is Fulza and I'm going into the 9th grade. Well, my sister and brother had her when they were in Ridgeway Middle too, so they're telling me how she was a good teacher, so I was very excited to go work with her.
I think my point of view is it going to be fun? Not only for them, but also for me. So if I think it's gonna be fun for me, then I'm a little more excited about it. And I try to look at it from a kid's point of view.
Well, I like how she doesn't just teach from the book. She does more research and does what she knows, and she puts it into a PowerPoint she makes by herself. And she puts a lot of examples in there and different steps if you don't get the first, different ways to do different steps and methods, which makes it easier.
A lot of times I will have different things, like not only am I modeling it on the board, I might have a PowerPoint. I'll upload more than one PowerPoint. For next week, I think I have 4 PowerPoints on the same skill because I don't know which way is actually going to reach a particular student. And I read their faces while I'm teaching, and I know what that face looks like, oh my gosh, I don't get it. So immediately I have to change my strategy. Okay, I need another example. I need something different. The kids, they like TV, and I don't think that they want to just watch me up there. They like color, and even with PowerPoints, you have movement, you have different fonts, you can put in clip art, anything that's gonna keep their attention versus just listening to my voice.
Before I even got to algebra, when I thought of letters, I was like, what, letters in math? When she was teaching me, she made things so easy and so easy to learn them.
It's when the kids get it. It's something about, especially when it's a brand new skill that I know they haven't seen before, there's the struggle that takes place, but then when I do an assessment and I see that they get it, when you have a student that has struggled and then all of a sudden they realize, okay, I need to get it together, and they try really hard. I had quite a few kids on the TCAP assessment and also the end of course for Algebra 1 that really I knew how bad they wanted it, and they worked so hard, and I was so happy when they actually, scored proficient or advanced. So that was awesome. And I almost feel like I'm the link between them and high school. If they don't get it in middle school, if they don't get that foundation, then it's gonna be much harder for them in high school. So my purpose is to, give them something that they can use all during high school and even going into college.
Well, I think it's gonna help me a lot in my major because the majors I'm thinking of include a lot of math in it.
Just thinking about how it's part of the real world and how she's gonna be using these things going forward, and just working hard. Never giving up. Doesn't matter, how hard the problem is, try another one. So, that's the main thing, just persevering through all of the different types of crazy things that we have to do in Algebra 1, but I know it's gonna, go with her going forward.